What's unique about T-Square is that they're naturally brewed, it's convenient and affordable, and it's very unique. Where else can you try bread bites? Have you guys tried bread bites already?
I've tried T-Squared many times, and I must say, I love the sugar intake on it. If you guys are looking for an extra boost, definitely T-Squared is a drink for that. Is it fructose? Fructose? It's sugary. It's
No, we actually use
honey?
honey.
No wonder. There you go.
That's why it's very unique. It's very healthy as well.
So can I pour all the iced tea on me? Is it?
And then something cool,
Is something cool? Okay.
Actually, my favorite there is the four berries. If you guys can try it, our booth is right there. I suggest you try the bread bites. If we